Hi, and welcome to another episode of... What is that? I don't know. Welcome to another episode of Storytime with Mr. Steven. Today I am going to read The Bear Snores On, written by Karma Wilson. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Bear Snores On, written by Karma Wilson, illustrated by Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in its deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, and he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls, and the night sound growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pit pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scutters by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with the chew chomp crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunneled up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven fluttered in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitter wrens, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare soaks the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnaws and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stumps. Bear growls and he grumbles. "You've snuck in my lair, and you've had all fun. But me, I was sleeping, and I have had none." And he whimpers and he moans, and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look see. We can pop more corn and we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, bear sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. The end.